20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Come on, one more. 25. Yeah. So that is exercise activity thermogenesis. This is when you do planned exercise and the calorie burn that your body performs whenever you do planned exercise. So it amounts to about 10% of your total daily energy expenditure. And if you want to learn what TDEE is, click on this card right here and find out how it works. Now, exercise activity thermogenesis, or E, applies to only planned exercise and does not account to any of the other movements and activities that you do throughout the day. For example, NEAT, which is non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Click on this card here to find out what NEAT is and how it works. Now, exercise activity thermogenesis is only about 10% of your total daily energy expenditure, and that's not much. However, it can help you if you add it to your calorie burn arsenal. And I'm sweating, as you can see. Now, sweat is not fat crying. Sweat is just your body's way of regulating temperature. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing much I can talk about, so I'll keep this video really short. So hit the gym and exercise. That's good for your muscles, it's good for your heart, it's good for your bones. And once you build a considerable amount of muscle, that will increase your BMR. And if you want to learn what BMR is, click the card right here and find out what BMR is. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.